Yeah. Work it, yeah, that's it, yeah.
I don't really know about this, man. You sure this is gonna help sell cams?
I'm a professional. I think I know what I'm doing. Okay, now lose the pants.
All right.
Baseline time, 2006. C6E has a VariRAM. Eric, you still want 469? Are you going higher?
Do 487.
487. I'll go 475. Jers?
492.
Damn. Well, watch this thing be low.
Yeah, I was thinking mine was high. Jerry went for the higher.
If it was a Haltech, I'd say yeah, but
yeah.
VariRAM is better on the street.
We'll see. I'm not going to count anything out here.
I think this is Daytona Sunset Orange, a 06 only color.
Orange, huh?
Orange.
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 Nothing like good old orange.
Orange.
It was don't.
Oh, don't and home. I thought you said home weird too.
Home?
Yeah, that sounds normal.
Yeah, don't.
Don't. See, now you're saying it normal.
No, don't. Like, that's how I've always said it, don't.
I heard you say it before.
It's don't. Like, you say don't.
Don't.
Yeah, don't.
I heard you say it so Delco the one time. You're like, don't. Axle back, too. Cascade. I love Cascades.
Unbelievable. I was so. You talked me out of it. I would have went 469. You're like, but it's got the.
No, I didn't. I just said it's an intake. Do you still want 469?
Yeah, I know. And you like, and I'm like, oh, he's talking me out of it.
Dude, if I was, I would have taken it, but I thought it was going to go higher too. That's funny.
That's some bullshit. I should just win, you know?
Yeah, well, you know what happens when you deviate from the norm.
Yeah, it's true.
Alright, I'll take 425 on the next one.
425?
Yeah. It's a manual, same thing we just did, that white one that Matt did in auto. Own stock.
418. That's what's going to be my next guess.
That was a good guess.
I don't think it's going to go that.
Last one was 423.
You might as well go high then.
430.
Okay.
Yeah, 418 was going to be mine, but I don't know if it will go that low.
There's not that big of a variance on those, so you kind of get screwed. That's why I was like, I'm guessing fast. So Eric was just saying this thing's brand new. It's got how many miles?
764.
Literally the same thing that Matt's doing right now, just a manual. White on red, Grand Sport. And I think we're doing close to the same package, which is really funny.
Crazy.
It is. Great minds, Eric. Great minds. Think alike. This one's a little different. It has the black accent on the hood. The other guy, the other car opted for the white. Yeah, you're straight. You're good. a Jerry clap. Come on. There you go.
God, he is really happy today,
He's
isn't
upset.
he? God.
Eric takes it. I take first one. Jerry with a goose egg. Well, there you have it. There is your difference between an auto Grand Sport.
Oh, that's an auto?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And a manual. Yeah, exactly.
You guys guessed it's around a similar horsepower?
I figured maybe 10. But there's a lot more. So, yeah, we've talked about this before. We've mentioned it before. Why do Corvettes typically baseline or make more power? But I think Fran said at one time that they have less drivetrain loss because of the transaxle. So typically, even though it's an LT1, they might baseline or make slightly more. So a lot of stuff going on right now. We are actually putting in another lift. We've had another one on the side. We just haven't really needed the use for it. We have the 4, obviously, and this one's kind of the race car spare lift. Everybody has their own, but we've been banging out jobs. We've been trying to get stuff done faster, quicker, and it definitely would help to have another one. So that's what we're doing right now. We're putting that one in. Jerry's doing some stuff on this GTO. You guys are probably wondering what's going on with it because there's, oh my God, a GTO in the shop. This is Gavin's KP's brother. His car, we've had this in before. We did a Pro Charger on this years ago. And he was just having some issues with his clutch. Throw out.
Spacing, engagement.
So you're fixing that up.
Here to fix it.
Yep.
So apparently Tick Performance came out with a master cylinder replacement and solves all the problems.
Cool.
So we just wanted to verify the spacing now between the throwout bearing and the pressure plate fingers, make sure the gap is sufficient.
Between tolerances of what Monster says.
Yeah, because you don't want this thing just resting up against it because you'll just eat this bearing alive and prematurely wear out everything.
Exactly.
So.
Thanks, Jerry. So yeah, so that's what's going on with this. Nothing crazy. It's just...
I've seen people asking,
oh my God, a GTO.
I thought you didn't work on those.
Really are kind of starting to phase out the early 2000 stuff. We're 05 and newer, but we're starting to phase out some of the stuff.
Yeah, God forbid if I was born a couple years later, I'd be phased out too.
Oh, I almost wish you were. Damn. But yes, no, we did this car since day one, so it was a little bit different. And then Matt is continuing progress on that. Hopefully we don't get demonetized here from Eric's emo music. So Matt's continuing work with the Pro Charger. He's got the intercooler mounted up. How's it coming?
Good.
Oh damn. I didn't even know you got that mounted.
Yeah, I stayed a few minutes late on Friday because I wanted to mount it before I left. I know.
You got some stuff on your nose.
Overachiever.
Looks good. D1X, what size pulley we got on there?
It's a 425.
Looks good though. Eric's got his fuel system going together. Pump and filter. Get mounted. Oh, how you liking the Bang?
I've been drinking Bang for 5 years.
I love Bang.
Turn it around. I need the product label. There you go.
I love 2 Bang.
Okay, there you go. You love 2 Bang, or you like the Bang? All right.
I love having the caffeine to do it.
Yeah, customer. Actually, I think it was this customer sent us them. So thank you for something a little different. We appreciate it. We're also doing some shop cleanup as well. We're pulling some stuff down here, selling it. I already did. I explained what it was. So yeah, we got a couple things for sale. Fit Gen
All right, Andrew.
Headers. Who's Andrew?
Did you hear Andrew?
I heard Andrew.
YouTube. They said Andrew.
I didn't. Matt did. He
Yeah,
must
Matt
be in a
did.
good mood. He's in that Bang mood.
Matt's putting some respect on my name.
So yeah, we put some stuff for sale on the good old interwebs, headers, intake, some other stuff. Some GTO parts actually too.
Fucking Jerry.
There
See,
you
I
go.
tried.
And he messed it up.
Yeah. 155. Slide it over.
So while they measure that, we're going to be doing some spring cleaning, mainly to clean out some area by the lift. The new lift. There's also the welding table area, so that's got to get moved. Wire everything in, move stuff back. But it's our first 60-degree day. We're going to have the doors open. Nice thing to do. So getting excited. So yeah, going to be cleaning up some stuff off the shelves. It'll be a nice needed addition. Obviously that's all our machine stuff back there. Drills, presses, lathe, all that good stuff. So that won't be blocked or anything. You can still get by. CTSV coupe. We did some basic bolt-ons to this thing last time I was here.
Core of the blower, lid, pulley, catless, downpipes. The only thing we did now was a 5-inch intake, spark plugs, and an oil change.
Thought about it too.
Yeah. We did put a Nick Williams
I
on.
thought so with our intake.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so
I missed that.
5-inch intake and
Right
throttle
here.
body. Yeah.
5-inch intake, throttle body, the neck line.
I'm surprised you're not using the middle. There you go.
Right here,
There you
yeah.
go. That's much better.
This, you see it? Just follow my finger.
Yeah, I see it now.
What did this thing make last time? Any idea?
606.
Okay.
I just had to look. I didn't know that off the top of my head. I'm not that good.
I know. It's pretty good. Is
Yeah.
it like winter or anything?
It's at 5, so last May.
Okay.
So almost a year. I mean, it's 60 out now. It's
Yeah.
a nice day for once.
Yeah, it is nice.
First nice warm spring day we've had all year.
Supposed to be 70 on Friday, bro.
Yeah. And then it's gonna get cold again.
Yeah, it's like 52 and rainy on Saturday.
Eric has the LSX going together. This is the one that's going in the red C6Z over there. It's getting an F1X Pro Charger. Has the Frankenstein heads 6-bolt boys. F710s getting torqued together. So pretty. What the hell is that?
I don't know. He makes some weird noises down there. He's got some issues. He is a special human.
I bet he is. So I guess we're just putting little things together as they come in for this.
Well,
We're waiting on the gaskets, weren't we?
yeah, we're waiting on the gaskets for a while, and we just wanted to get this thing together. The customer wanted to see it together, so.
Yeah, I knew we had the heads and stuff.
Yeah, we've had everything, just waiting on head gaskets that were like hassle.
Yeah, I think they're like back order. There's an issue with them, I guess, right now. Yeah, I think there's like a back order, or they're really behind. I don't know the full story on the gaskets, but. Oh, now you're on the bag?
Maybe that's what he needs to stop drinking.
Jesus, Jerry.
Doesn't beat old Red Bull, but she'll do. She'll do.
That thing's gonna have you going full dumb.
Full. You never go full Jerry.
That thing's got about 200 milligrams more caffeine.
Maybe that'll convince me to go home, wash my car, swap the wheels, and drive here tomorrow.
There you go. There you go.
Go for it.
I'm liking that attitude. This is gonna get demonetized. See, Mark, is what you need to see. This is how sick our fuel system looks. Tucked in there. Nice.
Looks like Eric's.
The idea.
Just saying. You just have the wheel well on.